up? It's me, Princess.
And Nicole.
And for today's video, as you can see, nakatayo po kami. Kasi, today namin celebrate yung Halloween party namin.
Woo! Pero kami-kami lang naman.
Yes, kasi bawal mag-party and bawal magpa-invite.
So, gagawa na kami ng sarili namin party dito mismo sa bahay namin. So, nag-prepare kami ng mga costume, decoration,
location.
food.
So, samahan niyo lang kami guys kasi sobrang excited na kami party dito sa araw na to. Actually, ito lang hinihintay ko ngayong may pasukan kami kasi para ito lang din yung aming rest day. So, yeah, let's just do
Happy
it.
Halloween. We got packages, guys.
All of these are sanitized na.
Una namin unbox is yung, of course, yung costume namin. Yung dress ko, dumating na siya ng mas maaga. So, pinalaban ko na siya. So, ito na accessories ko.
Oh, bumili siya isang kamay.
Kasi, sabi mo natin costume, mamaya lang.
Mamaya na.
Kayo na mismo magkula.
Saan naman nila agad?
This is like my accessory. Wait, I got gloves for my costume.
Ano, scissors?
Ay, ate, ano kaya costume mo dyan?
Sino ba to? Di ko alam.
Ate, na ganyan ang costume dati.
I know.
Insert pic. Tadaan!
Ini-check ko po kung purpose ako sa mas maganda sa Tada! Bumili na ako ng mask. Although I'm not gonna use this kasi
Talaga? Hindi mo gamitin yan?
hindi natin yung costume ko. Bumili lang ako. Yung ganda nito. May ganito.
Ganda!
Maganda yung quality na nabili ko. Ito maganda to kasi may ganito. And then, look at this. Yung zipper niya, yung sa middle. And then, I got the size small sa adult. So, meron pa tayo i-unbox guys. Pero bago tayo mag-unbox ulit, meron kami i-share sa inyo na
Software which is called Wondershare PDFelement. I-share na namin to before sa vlog namin, but we want to share it again with you guys.
Kasi guys, sobrang essential itong software na to, lalo sa amin since we're students and
Online class.
yeah, online class is a thing and ang dami natin nababasa or binibigay ng mga PDF files for our research, assignment. PDFelement is an all-in-one smart PDF editor which offers the easiest way to create, edit, convert, annotate, cite PDF documents on Windows and Mac.
So my favorite feature when it comes to PDFelement is that I can annotate any document. So kapag nag-study ako ng isang research, pwede ako mag-add ng sarili kong notes,
Yes.
pwede ako mag-highlight, and of course, helpful din yung pagkakaroon nila ng e-signature when it comes to contracts.
Most of our reading kasi PDF files, so kung gusto ko mag-notes ka, sabi ni Nicole, i-download ko lang siya through PDFelement para makapag-edit na ako sa mismong file na hindi ko na kailangan i-cut-paste pa yung buong documents kasi doon ka na mismo mag-edit sa file na yun. So if you guys are interested to try this software, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below. Download it and yeah, para mas mapadali
You
yung
can try
file
for
siya.
free.
Free and available to all
Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android.
Thank you PDFelement for sponsoring this video. Siyempre, diba si Tokyo, meron sila doon, meron sila mga dress or something. Lagyan siya. It's actually a bag that you can also use for streetwear styling. But for me, I'm gonna use it for my costume. So, nice kasi may mga libreng alcohol na lumilipad sa mukha. Last part ito na aking costume. Hindi ko ng alcohol sa kamay ko. Next. Hindi ko tama. Hindi ko basang-basaan na ako.
So, syempre sa Money Heist, hindi mo kompleto ang costume pag wala kang
Gun. So, I bought myself a pellet gun. Ito yung gun ni Tokyo.
Ooh.
And then, meron siyang libreng alcohol ulit. Basang-basa talaga ako, promise.
Okay, so since napakita namin sa inyo ang aming costumes, kailangan natin ayun silang pinaka-venue for the party. So,
Let's go down.
Okay! Mag-unbox na kami ng pang
Decor. Ako din.
Oh! Happy Halloween!
Ay, open. Okay, I'll open this one.
Ready tayo ng black curtain. Ito yung sobrang daming balloon na for Halloween. Meron kaming web. More
web
balloons.
Ang bango na ito. Nakakamiss yung mga 7th birthday namin, guys. Na repack yung mga bango.
Spider web.
And then,
Batman.
we also have here itong mga Halloween decorations.
Trick or treat!
Ah, siya na Halloween. Mga maulo ko yun.
Happy Halloween. Hello one. Happy Halloween as usual. Then tomorrow. Yay! Halloween, happy Halloween. Ano to? Hindi nyo talaga gamitin.
Akin ang ginawang decoration. Okay, so as you can see guys, may nakapang costume na tayo. Si Nicole nag-aayos pa siya ng costume niya. But si Casey okay na din. And look, ito na yung natapos namin. So as you can see, diba medyo madilim pa. And nagpaplano ako lagay siya ng LED. So, let's go. What's up? Madlang people! Now here's our costume.
Mamaya, gawa kami ng
montage. Pero, kakatapos na namin mag-ayos.
And mag-decorate.
And sige, nagpag-upis si Nicole para sa video na to.
Effort.
Tapos kinurl namin ng very, very light na ng konti. Ayan. So,
Okay, so andito na si Casey.
Gryffindor.
Gryffindor.
College ba yun?
Nakapaa si Harry Potter.
Nakapaa siya, guys. Wow!
Okay, let's go to the montage. So, montage in 3, 2, 1. Guys, binabaril kami! Bili mo! Baril! Photographer na si Tokwa. Tokwa!
Uy, ano ba? So, guys, kakatapos na namin mag-photo shoot. So, nagpre-prepare na ng food si Nicole and we're gonna start a party!
Bailin nyo kami.
What's your name? What's your costume? I forgot the step.
Tokwa dahil. Tokwa.
No, Missy, no. Yellow and blue.
It's blue, it's blue.
For me, it's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up.
Hindi naman. Hindi ko alam na yun eh.
What's this?
But it's not me.
I tell you everything, I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want.
Hey!
Bulletproof ka naman. Hindi ako bulletproof. Hey! Yeah, pow, pow. Casey!
Ay, okay lang.
Hands and make them dance. Boom.
It is not wine. We're not gonna. It's a pomegranate juice. Cheers.
Oh, it's
So guys, that's it for this video. Mag-celebrate na po kami ng the rest of the night by karaoke. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And also comment down below any video suggestions if you want me to do. Bye!
Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby.